In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a column chart in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll be able to turn a plain table of numbers into a clear visual that's easy to understand and share. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, look for the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps button. Click it to open the menu of Google Apps. If the menu looks condensed on a small screen, scroll within the panel until you see the Sheets icon, then click Sheets to launch the app. Once Google Sheets loads, open the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to visualize. If your data isn't set up yet, a quick tip: put your category labels in the first column and put your series names in the top row. For example, months down the left and product names across the top. This structure helps Google Sheets recognize labels automatically. With your sheet open, highlight the exact range you want to chart. Click and drag across the cells, and be sure to include the header row and the category labels if you have them. Keep your selection as a single, continuous block without blank rows or columns. If your data lives in separate areas, you can hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac to select multiple ranges, but a clean, contiguous range is usually easiest. Now go to the menu bar at the top and click Insert. From the drop-down, choose Chart. Sheets will insert a chart on the canvas and open the chart editor on the right side of your screen. Don't worry if the initial chart type isn't what you expect. This is just the starting point. In the chart editor, make sure you're on the Setup tab and find the chart type drop-down. Open it, then scroll to the column section. Here you'll see several options. The standard column chart shows individual values side by side for each category, which is great for simple comparisons. Stacked column combines related series within each category, helping you show part-to-whole relationships while keeping the total visible. The 100% stacked column normalizes everything to percentages, making it easy to compare proportions across categories. Select the column chart style that best matches your data story. As soon as you choose it, your chart will update using the data you highlighted. That's it. You've created a column chart in Google Sheets. From here, you can explore the editor later to fine-tune labels, colors, and axes, but selecting the right chart type is the key step. Thanks for watching, and enjoy turning your data into insights.